Howdy campers, this is Emmanuel with Funtown RV, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of the 2022 MPG 2860 BH. Now let's go take a look. Starting up front here, we're going to have our electric tongue jack that does come standard, very easy to use. 2 buttons here, and we have a docking light on there as well. Right behind that, we're gonna have dual 20 propane tanks, and our battery is gonna be housed right behind that. All right guys, coming alongside of the camper, this is gonna be our passenger side. We're gonna have a few cool features I wanna point out. First of all, we're gonna have electric jacks on the front and on the back. These are electric stabilizer jacks to be specific. And in this large pass-through storage, we're also gonna have a built-in metal utility compartment. This is going to be great for storing tools, hitches, things that we're going to need to carry along the trip. It's built into the frame, so it doesn't take from any of our space in the RV. All right, walking back, we'll notice that this RV actually has 2 doors, one private entry to your master bedroom, and then one into the common living area of your RV. Making our way to the main entry point of this camper, we are going to see that MPG has included our step above steps here. These are consistent, reliable, and durable. They're gonna come in handy in any circumstance. So I always like to see that feature. Above me, we're gonna notice that we have our awning out. We have a fully electric awning right above me, lined with that LED strip that we love to see. And right underneath our awning, we have our marine grade speakers for our parties on the outside of our RV. Our outdoor kitchen on this MPG is gonna have some great features to it, one of which being the gray stone skillet that we have here. This is gonna be a lot larger than you'll see on a lot of other RVs. We also have our standard mini fridge, which is also a great addition. That way we have more space for our refrigerated goods, whether that's inside, also outside. All right guys, here we are inside this MPG. But before we get started, I want to make sure that you visit mycamptown.com. That's where you're gonna find all the accessories you're gonna need for your next camping trip. We're gonna have everything from hitches that are specialized to the RV of your choice. We're also gonna have all the accessories we need for winterizing your RV, all the way down to coolers, mugs, t-shirts, you name it. So go check out mycamptown.com to get all your RV accessories. All right guys, the kitchen on this MPG, it really is beautiful and is very simple and seamless. Here you can see our beautiful countertops that we have, kind of a light grayish. We also have a stainless steel deep farm style sink. We also have, you'll notice, these darker finishes on some of the appliances, including our faucet. We have lots of storage space. MPG does provide us with the cutting board as well that covers up our sink. Guys, I don't want to skip over some of these beautiful accents like the backsplash here in the kitchen. We do have our standard 3-burner stovetop, Furrion stove and oven. Above that is going to have our gray stone vent hood and our gray stone microwave. So we're covering all the bases here in the kitchen. Here in our entertainment space, we're going to start off with our Summit TV. This is on a swivel mount, so that way we can enjoy the TV from anywhere we may be sitting in this unit. Below that, we have our Furrion soundbar and stereo control. This controls both zones on the inside of the camper and the outside, so we can listen to music, radio, podcast, whether it's inside, outside, or both at the same time. Coming down, you'll see we have our convenience center where we'll be able to check our tanks and control our electronics such as our awnings and our slides. And below that, our 31-inch Greystone electric heater. This is going to provide us with real heat that comes off of this heater or just ambient lighting, whichever one. Guys, this MPG 2860 is going to have a beautiful super slide. The super slide is going to house 3 things. It's going to house our sofa here that does actually pull out into a pull-out bed. It's going to also house our dinette. This is going to be our standard dinette, which also does drop down into another bed, so another sleeping situation for those that might be staying over. Right behind the dinette, we have some USB plugs. This comes in handy when we're wanting to charge our phone, playing games at the dinette table. Again, also in this slide, we're gonna have our Everchill 12-volt fridge. This is gonna offer us plenty of space for all of our refrigerated goods. And remember, we still have our mini fridge on the outside for additional storage. Guys, this is a bunkhouse model. I wanted to hop in these bunks here to show you the amount of space that they have. Lots of space. These are double on double bunks. I'm 6'2" and I fit in here rather comfortably. So for your extra sleepers that are going to be staying over, there is a bunk right above me that has a window. Down below, there's a window as well. There's lighting in both the lower and the upper levels of the bunk. And we have our privacy curtain. Below me, we will have some even more storage space. This is going to be great for some of the kids' toys or shoes, whatever it is that you need to tuck away in this storage space. And the restroom that we have in this MPG really does meet all of our needs. We have our toilet here angled in a position to offer us the most amount of space. We also have beautiful cabinet space in here, lower and upper, and our standard sink with the beautiful dark finish on the faucet and even more cabinet space down below. The shower is going to have beautiful lighting coming in naturally. Also offers more headroom for when you're in the shower. Here we are, currently located in our master bedroom of this MPG. Right above me, you'll see one of the 2 ACs on this RV. This is going to be 50 amp service, so I do like to note that. This bed here also has an interesting feature to it you might enjoy. It has what is called a king bed slide. So this is a king size bed, and it actually unlatches and is able to slide with the entire platform to adjust whichever way you would like to have space around your bed. So that's a nice feature that I like to mention as well. Again, we have our standard storage space all around our bed here. A little bit extra right in the middle. You can see it hangs down a little bit more than the rest, just to offer us the maximum amount of storage space up above. We have built into the sides of these drawers little cubby spaces for our phones or our CPAP machines, which can also go down below on a built-in nightstand. A really awesome feature that MPG has included on this model is kind of a hideaway vanity that they have built in behind the sliding door. All right, guys, thank y'all so much for joining me on another walkthrough, this time of this MPG 2860 BH. Again, guys, I want to remind you, check out our RVASAP.com website. If you're looking to buy an RV but can't make it into one of our stores, let one of our internet specialists help you secure the unit of your dreams. Again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and remember that the fun starts here.